hotter, when it gets cold, you know, it's better for them to always have any advice. That's what they have to leave to walk. Right? Yeah. Oh, good. Okay, I'll be happy about that.
So they can leave later. Great.
So tomorrow it's 7.
Julie's first day. You better ask him, Nancy, about the time to be certain.
Hi. Are any of your children crossing? No. Okay. Yeah.
First day of school. Joy. Joy.
How was it? Kelly walked? Yep. Her and Danielle walked? Yeah. Who'd you get? I got
Joy.
She wasn't in my class. No, I thought I saw her. Yeah, no, I went and looked. She didn't miss Brown.
Joy. Come on.
Yeah, I think this is Kelly. I just was one of those Mrs. Bell.
First day of school. Joy.